Welcome to my channel. Xerox B225 Wireless Setup Tutorial. Step 1. Turn on the printer, plug in your Xerox B225 printer and press the power button. Wait until the printer is fully ready. Step 2. Make sure Wi-Fi is available. Check that your wireless router is turned on and broadcasting a Wi-Fi signal. Keep the printer close to the router during setup. Step 3. Open Network Settings. On the printer control panel, go to Settings on Network/Ports a Wireless. Step 4. Start Wireless Setup. Select Wireless Setup Wizard or choose Network from the wireless menu. The printer will search for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Step 5. Select your Wi-Fi network. Choose your home or office Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. Step 6. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Use the printer keypad to type your Wi-Fi password carefully, then confirm the entry. Step 7. Wait for the connection. The printer will attempt to connect to the wireless network. This may take a minute. Step 8. Check connection status. Look for a message such as connected or a Wi-Fi icon on the printer display to confirm a successful connection. Step 9. Install the printer on your computer. On your Windows or Mac computer, add the Xerox B225 through Printer Scanner Settings and install the recommended Xerox driver. Step 10. Print a test page. Print a test page to verify that the printer is connected and working correctly over Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.